What's up, everyone?
You are watching Feast.
We've been taking fan requests to make the craziest foods
Across your favorite shows, movies, video games, and more.
We've been doing it for 8 years and made over 240 videos.
I'm Jimmy.
And I'm Ashley.
And it's been an honor to grow and evolve with you, our fans. So much has changed since we've began.
We've grown our family,
Expanded our horizons.
and starting today,
You have a chance to join the Feast family and help us grow to new heights. You've watched our videos over 130 million times.
and over 1 million of you are subscribed to us.
If you believe our videos have brought you any happiness, laughs, or a much needed break from the real world, right now is your chance to give back and help us continue to grow. Today, we are launching our Patreon, a digital way for you to give a little bit back to the careers you have felt have been there for you throughout the years.
We want more than anything to make this show bigger and better than ever before.
And it's only possible with your support on Patreon.
For the price of a milkshake,
Or a boba a month,
patrons get exclusive access to the Feast world.
you'll get to exclusively interact with us and join a growing community of like-minded geeks, weebs, and lovers of all things fiction. You'll get to interact directly with Ashley and me on Discord.
Get first dibs on highly exclusive and limited merchandise.
The ability to decide and vote on which feast we'll be making next on the show. Wouldn't it be awesome if your name was forever emblazoned on an episode of the show? Well, for patrons, that could be you. Help us make new shows
Travel around the world.
and bring those experiences directly to you, our patrons. And if you are one of the first 100 patrons to sign up, Ashley and I will dedicate a video shouting out each and every one of you so your name will live on forever on the channel. If you feel we provided you with entertainment and laughs over these last 8 years,
This is your chance to give back. Join our family.
be a part of Feast and make this show better than ever. We're so excited to grow with our new friends on Patreon.
And can't wait to set out on this journey together. So what are you waiting for?
Click the link in this video or below to head over to the Patreon and sign up right now to join our family. This is Jimmy,
And Ashley.
signing off, and we'll see you on the Discord. Bye.
Bye.